Let me show you how to properly use your K12 wireless karaoke speaker. So essentially inside the box you will get your speaker, microphone, so also they come sometimes with two microphones if you pay a bit more, and also a charger lead. Also here is a manual page. If you do not have one, you can pause the video to inspect it. Also, I have partnered with AliExpress, and if you are actually looking to purchase this, I will leave a link in the description where you can get this for essentially $1 if you are a new user on AliExpress. So essentially with this one microphone it's around $1, and with two microphones a bit more essentially, so around $2 essentially. And again, that is with free shipping, so simply follow the link. It will lead you basically to this listing where you can get it for that price essentially. And again, if you are old user on AliExpress, you already have account, then also I have the good deal basically, so then it costs maybe like $7 or $8 depending on basically the color and how many microphones you get. And before you turn on, I suggest you to charge both of them. So the way we charge is in the box you will get your Type-C lead. Essentially you can also use other Type-C. So on the bottom over here we have the plug for the microphone, so you simply plug it in, and you can plug this in any wall adapter or also like a computer or laptop. But there is one thing basically, the charging on these units sometimes is a bit fussy depending on the charger you use. Sometimes they actually do not work with all chargers. So again, if you plug in and nothing happens, simply try another charger brick, or again plug them maybe in computer. And on the speaker on the back you have the charger port over here. So essentially once you plug in you should see a red light like this. So if you do not see it, again try another cable or a brick, basically the adapter. Also we can easily insert memory cards here as well, so micro SD memory card if you want to play back music without having phone in range. Also we can attach basically USB flash drive, or even plug in aux cable, so feed basically the data from aux as well. And on the top we have the various buttons to control the unit, and if you want to turn it on we simply have to press and hold this middle button essentially for 3 seconds, and then it will turn on. And if you want to pair with your phone, simply go to your Bluetooth settings. So this works with both Android and also iPhones. Click pair new device, select the K12, and it pairs pretty much instantly, and you will hear a noise. Also you can see your battery level here as well. And this is how you can control the speaker. So on the top we have this plus and minus button, so we can click once to essentially turn up the volume, and also click once this minus button to essentially turn down the volume. If you essentially want to skip to the next track, so forward track, you simply have to press and hold it for 2 seconds, this plus, so, and then it will essentially skip to the next track. And also using this power button we can also start and pause songs as well. So as you see, basically if I press this, basically music from my phone starts playing. And again, I can increase the volume.
Yeah. Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it.
And as you see, basically as I adjust the volume, also my volume change on my phone as well. And also we can use this button over here to change the modes for the light. So if I press it once, we get this mode essentially. If I press this, then basically it syncs with the song, and basically so it will follow essentially the rhythm of the song essentially. Also we can press and hold the light button for 1 second, turn it off, and again press and hold for 1 second to turn it back on. And also we can use this button over here to either isolate only the voice from the song or also only the track essentially. So let me start something. If I press this, next let's cover the microphone. So to turn it on, simply press and hold the power button for like 2 seconds. And the first time you turn on, this blue light will blink. That means it's trying to connect, and once it's connected to the speaker, it will only stay like this contact blue essentially. So on this microphone we can use these buttons over here to basically control the volume of the microphone. So we actually can't control the volume of the speaker, only the microphone basically using these buttons. And the way we adjust the volume is slightly different than on this one. So the way you like turn up or down the volume is you simply like click this and wait 1 second till you hear a tiny beep. So if I click this, basically you can kind of hear this beep basically. So again, if I press this, so we kind of have to press it with a delay essentially to turn down the volume. Also, if we like double press this plus or minus, we can actually control the reverb as well. So basically if I increase the reverb to the maximum, again like double press, and this is what it sounds like when I have increased the echo essentially to the maximum. It sounds like we are in huge room. So again, if you want to disable this, so simply like double press, wait 1 second, again, till you reach basically the end, and then basically we have like removed this reverb essentially from it, and it sounds very normal. Also, when it comes to the volume, you adjust your microphone. Also, it's very important not to adjust it to the maximum. Otherwise, basically, if you turn to the maximum and basically point at the speaker, this is what you can expect to get. So if you hear these sounds basically, so simply like drop down the volume basically, maybe like two times, basically 2 clicks, and you see you do not have this. Also, it's very important how we actually speak in this microphone. So the ideal distance from your lips is around this. So if you like put your lips very near basically this microphone, so I'm speaking basically with the lips on the microphone, as you can hear, basically it sounds absolutely terrible. So but if I speak like this, so basically this is the distance I'm speaking at, and yeah, it sounds absolutely perfect now. So again, very important at which distance you keep. If you keep it over here, your sound will go absolutely crazy. And this button over here also controls that voice or track isolation basically. So this same button as we have on the controller over here. And finally, also we can actually remove this strap here as well. So if you actually do not want the handle, you can literally pull this thing out. So use some fingernails essentially, so and like remove this, and then we can simply plug it in, so and it won't really have the strap if it maybe disturbs you. And overall this set is actually incredibly good. Not only we get a really nice sound quality, also the build quality looks absolutely awesome. The microphone is of decent quality actually, and again the best part really is the price of it. So again, if you follow the link in description, basically it will lead you to this special link essentially where you can get it for absolutely insane price. So literally like $2 with free shipping if you are a new user for a full set with 2 microphones. Absolutely insane. Again, if you are old user on AliExpress, still if you actually follow that link, still you will actually get a really good deal as well. So anyway, good luck.